What's up, everybody? Welcome back to TZ Connection. Remember to press the subscribe button, like our videos, and share the videos to the people. Right now, we are at Rasta Land. Rasta Land. This is the restaurant I found out on Ununio beach. It's a good place for you to chill. As we all know, nature heals. You know, the beauty of the ocean. It's just so amazing being around nature. Being around this environment, you get that energy. Positive vibe, positive energy. The art. Good music. The food. The drinks.
Welcome, Rastaland, man of Pendo, Kisila, Hara.
So speaking about the drinks, they have a variety of drinks, local drinks, imported drinks, wines, smoothies, juices, wherever you like. And we have
Mama African fresh juice and the fruits and the smoothies. Karibu sana at Rasta Land Ununio beach.
peace out, stay blessed, and one love. Let me get some fresh juice and Mama Africa. Hi, welcome back to TZ Connection. Remember to subscribe our channel, like our videos, and share our video. Beside of me, we have
Hi, I'm Ismail Chanda from Rastaland. Yeah, son to the owner. So welcome to Rastaland. This is Rastaland.
how is the investment opportunities in Rastaland?
The investment opportunities in Rastaland are very open, you know. So we welcome an investor who feel like he can come invest here in Rastaland. We are so open to opportunities like that, you know, because this is business. So if it's main business, you can do it.
So Rastaland is a good spot, very good spot.
Very nice.
What do you think? Like, what have to be done here so that this place can be that place to run to?
What Rastaland needs right now is just a couple of renovations to do, renovate, and that's all.
What would you like to say to our subscribers, bro?
Subscribe more.
Subscribe, bro. I like that. Alright, man. Hey, peace out. One love. Stay blessed. TZ Connection to the world.